Okay, let's go.
And today we are talking rifle maintenance. And what does it mean? What does it mean for you? And what does it mean for your rifle? So one of the first questions I get asked is, how often should I check my rifle? Well, my question to you is, how often do you service your car? It's on a regular basis, right? So every 10,000 Ks, every 5,000 Ks, every 15,000 Ks, it's entirely up to you. But how long do you want that car to last? It's no different with your rifle. How accurate do you want your shot to be? May it be 100 rounds, may it be 1,000 rounds. I like to take my rifle apart after every single match. I inspect all the screws, I inspect the action, and I tighten up and re-torque the action screws. I also ensure that the scope rings are nice and tightened to spec, and my eye relief and everything is exactly the same as how it was before. And that way, when I go into my next competition, I know that everything with my rifle, the way it sits in the chassis, torque of the action screws, and everything else is correct. I'm not wasting my time figuring out if that might be the problem of why my rifle is not holding zero. So my suggestion is, get comfortable with being uncomfortable and take your rifle apart at least once a month. Take care.